fresh air, wild forests, welcome to Khao Yai, about 200 kilometers northeast of Bangkok. It's Thailand's first national park. It covers nearly 2,206 square kilometers and feeds many rivers. Home to rich biodiversity, over 350 rare and endangered species. Think cool air, lush forests, wide grasslands, and real jungle sounds. Hike to waterfalls, watch wildlife at dawn and dusk, and enjoy scenic drives. Close by, explore local farms and vineyards for fresh food and views. Nature lovers, this one's for you. Add Khao Yai to your Thailand trip.